Hi, this is Mike Ring. For people that don't know me, I'm a half owner of the Ringbrothers. Today we're going to talk about the Splitter car. I don't know if people know that car, but it's one of our favorite cars. It was a 65 Mustang Fastback. It's red and white. We had the opportunity to go to Saudi Arabia and take a few cars over there, so we asked some of our past customers if they wanted to maybe sell their car. And we were hoping maybe we could build another one for them if they sold it. So Mike Smalls is one of them who decided to take his over there. And another friend of ours, Jim Knockreiner, who had a K5 Blazer, ended up there both in the same container, and they weren't tied down very well. I guess they threw a strap over the carbon bumper and that tore off. And so the Splitter and the Blazer kissed each other for about 8,000 miles across the sea. So it was pretty damaged, as you can see in where we're at right now. It's pretty damaged, and we're going to put it back together and start over with it. And because it's such a great car, we're going to put it back together. That car, it's fun to bring it back to life again. You know, we put all new front end, rear quarters to fenders to the whole front end. Really didn't have to get into the roof, and that's about all. Now we're pretty close to paint on the car. Actually, we just got it painted, and you'll see that the paint on the car now, I feel, is even better than when it was new the first time we did it. You know, get older, we get a little better at our craft, and so the paint's fresh on it. The car looks amazing. I feel that it's as good or better than when it was new. The paint's better than when we did it the first time, that's for sure. So it's fun to put it back together. It's really the first one we've ever had a customer's car that was damaged that we had to fix.